Hi Gemini. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you. I'm trying to channel the energies for the month of November. What are the messages for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Okay. The Tower, Two of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. A lot of earth energy, Gemini. What have you been thinking about? Tell me, tell me. The High Priestess, Three of Wands, and Ace of Pentacles. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Devil card. I'm going to keep it right here. Gemini, I feel that in the past, in the recent past, you guys were involved with somebody, could be a Scorpio individual, who in some way or the other broke your heart and, uh, you know, came in the way of your love for him or her. And whatever this relationship or situationship was, could be a marriage, it ended horribly, as if, there was no end to the pain. This person could be younger than you or more immature than you. For most of you, I'm getting it was a relationship and not a marriage. Yeah, definitely a Scorpio individual or with someone with heavy Scorpio in their chart. I'm also getting there could be a third party situation. This individual that you were involved with could also be one of the earth sign individual, Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. Whoever they are, they were keeping you trapped. This whole relationship kept you trapped. Um, and if it wasn't the relationship that made you feel bogged down, it could be the letting go part that, the memories, the times you spent together, Gemini, those were keeping you trapped. But I feel as that they are going to be communicating. Probably they have realized their mistake, but now they want to offer you a new beginning. There could be n number of reasons why this connection ended. One could be a third party situation. Second could be that they chose their um, higher education or work or something to do with their own um, growth as priority and sidelined you and this relationship. No matter what the case was or how things ended, this person wants to communicate and offer you a new beginning when it comes to this relationship or when it comes to them. Yeah, you've got the reunion card as well. And I feel that times are going to be changing really soon. Come November, you will be feeling um, the need to probably get out and be with your friends, enjoy some time off. And if it's not that, then probably you will be contacted through your friends by this person. Probably they'll be asking you to give this relationship another chance or you give this individual another chance. If you guys have met through mutual friends or if you have mutual friends, they will try to mend this relationship and probably make sure that you guys give each other this second chance. And I'm not getting that this other person, this individual you were involved with, them being so um, pushy about it as much as they will convince the friends to push you to give them a second chance. Probably they are little hesitant about how you would react. You've got the if you believe card. Now, these are extra messages. They may or may not be related directly to the tarot. So, take them however you want. You could relate it to the tarot, Gemini. When this connection ended, it was really very painful for you. Probably for this person as well, but not as much as uh, you, Gemini. You've got the you are good enough card. Hold your vision. Show the world the real you. Nothing will come of this situation. And one last message. Expect powerful change. These are all general messages, so they may or may not resonate with everyone, guys. In case if this is not your story, please don't feel disheartened. Please go and see your other placements because I keep putting up videos. So do check them out if they resonate with you. You've got the answers right in front of you, guys. You've got the show the world card, show the world the real you card. Nothing will come of this situation. So, as I mentioned earlier, these messages may or may not be related to the tarot directly. So, if you had a question in your mind, then probably these are the answers. You are good enough, Gemini. Expect a powerful change and hold your vision. So, this is about it, Gemini. And I hope this reading resonated with you. No matter what it is, you are heading towards a new beginning, whether it's love or a new beginning in work or starting something or following your passion, something or the other. But it is going to be a great new beginning for you. And I hope the month of November is a game changer for you, Gemini. Thank you for watching. Bye.